quick video for a 2006 Toyota Sienna, changing a headlamp. The number's 9006. You need no special tools. It's a real quick replacement. This is for the driving light, not the bright light. And as you can see, it's right down there. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it counterclockwise. And you're going to wiggle it out. And you're going to look for this little tab. See the tab? Push that down, pull it out, make sure you got the right number. You do. Here's the new one. Push the tab, shove it back in until the tab is back. Put it in, line up where you can turn it. Once your tabs are in, push it, turn it clockwise, and you're in. Turn on your headlights and make sure it works. And it does.